Okay, good morning students. Yesterday I will completed the class second order derivative first part. Today second order derivative second part. This part is very important one, 5 marks questions. Okay, listen carefully. Y is equal to cos inverse x. 12th problem given y is equal to cos inverse x. Y is equal to cos inverse x. Find d square y by dx square. Find d square y by dx square in terms of y. The 5 marks problem, prove that to, show that to, solution also given. So we have to prove easy. So first one, second d square y by dx square, first find out in terms of y. So derivative with respect to x, y is equal to cos inverse x, derivative with respect to x. This is derivative with respect to x, one time derivative means y1 or dy by dx or y dash. So derivative of cos inverse x, so first of all dy by dx is equal to d by dx of cos inverse x. So dy by dx is taken y1, cos inverse x minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so cross multiplication, y1 into root of 1 minus x square is equal to minus 1. It is easy to solve the cross multiplication because minus u by v formula and so on is lengthy procedure. Okay, squaring on both sides, so y1 whole square, ಈ root cancel, 1 minus x square is equal to derivative of minus 1 is equal to 0, u into v formula, again derivative with respect to x, u into v, y1 square into v dash, derivative of 1 minus x square plus 1 minus x square into derivative of d by dx of y1 square is equal to 0, y1 square into derivative of 1 minus x square 0 minus x square derivative 2x plus 1 minus x square into derivative of y1 square is nothing but x square, derivative of x square 2x, what is x, y1, 2x into derivative of y1 is equal to y2, again derivative, y derivative y1 derivative y2. So common, y1 common, 2 into 2y1 common, so 1 minus x square into already 2y1 common, y2 minus 2 and y1 common, remaining x y1 is equal to 0. So finally final answer is 1 minus x square into y2 means what, dy by dx, minus x into y1 means dy by dx is equal to 0, d square y by dx. So ORR y is equal to cos inverse x, that is equal to cos y is equal to x. The cos goes to left side. So derivative with respect to x cos y, derivative of cos y minus sin y into derivative of y dy by dx is equal to derivative of x is equal to 1 no. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by sin y is equal to cosecant y. Again derivative with respect to, again derivative with respect to x, d square y by dx square is equal to derivative of cosecant x, derivative of cosecant x is equal to derivative of cosecant x minus cosecant x into cot x into derivative of y1. So minus into minus cosecant y into cot y, y1 is equal to what? Minus cosecant y. So minus cosecant square y into cot y. This is the actual meaning of 12th problem. The derivative y is equal to cos inverse x derivative in terms of cos y andre adu answer. Okay. ಇದೇ example ಇಂದ y is equal to sin inverse x, example 41. Homework, prove that y is equal to sin inverse x, prove that y is equal to sin inverse x if homework, if y is equal to sin inverse x, show that 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx is equal to 0. Same sin inverse x, cos inverse x, procedure same. The first procedure we have to do, first procedure same answer, but difference is derivative of sin inverse x 1 by root of 1 minus x square, derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 by root of 1 minus x. This is difference. Okay, this is the homework I have to try. dy d square y by dx square or y2, dy by dx or y1, both are same. The next one, very very important one, if y is equal to 13th problem, if y is equal to 3 cos of log x, 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x, 4 sin of log x, show that x square y2, show that x square y2 plus x y1 plus y is equal to 0. Answer is given, question and answer, show that, prove that. Is very easy. So very 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 important. Solution, first given y is equal to 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative y1. Y derivative y1. So 3 is a constant. D by dx of cos of log x plus 4 is a constant. D by dx of sin of log x. Okay. So that is equal to 3 into this is x. So derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Sin of log x into again derivative of d by dx of log x plus okay x is not x log x 4 into derivative of sin x cos of log x into derivative of log x. So that is equal to y1 is equal to minus 3 sin of log x into derivative of log x 1 by x plus 4 cos of log x into derivative of log x 1 by x. So LCM x LCM minus 3 sin of log x minus 3 sin of log x plus 4 cos of log x. Cross multiplication x into y1 is equal to minus 3 into sin of log x plus 4 cos of log x. Okay. Second derivative again derivative with respect to x. Again derivative with respect to x. This is u into v formula. Derivative of u into v. U into v dash. V dash means y1 derivative y2 plus v into y1. Derivative of u. Derivative of x 1. That is equal to minus 3 into minus 3 sin of log x. Derivative of sin of log. Derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin x cos of log x into derivative of 1 by x log x 1 by x plus 4 into derivative of cos of log x. Derivative of cos x minus sin x and sin of log x into derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. So again LCM x is LCM and minus 3 cos of log x minus 4 sin of log x. Again cross multiplication. So finally x into cross multiplication x into xy2 plus y1 is equal to minus common okay minus common 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. So that is x into x square y2 plus x into y1 xy1 that is equal to minus y from 1. What is 1? 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x is equal to y. Therefore finally hence x square y2 plus xy1 plus y is equal to 0. Multiply x square y2 plus xy1 plus y is equal to 0. Once again first y is equal to derivative 3 constant to separate only derivative of function only derivative of function cos x derivative of cos x minus sin x and again derivative of x log x plus derivative of sin x cos x, x means what, log x, into derivative of x log x. Okay. So minus 3 into sin of log x, derivative of log x 1 by x, plus 4 into cos of log x, derivative of log x 1 by x. So LCM, take LCM x. So x into cross multiplication, x into this one. So again derivative with respect to x, same u into v formula, x into y1 derivative y2 plus y1 into x derivative 1 no. So minus 3 constant to again derivative of cos of log x, derivative of cos x, derivative of cos x, derivative of sin x, derivative of sin x cos x into derivative of x, x means what, log x, derivative of log x 1 by x, plus 4 into derivative of cos x minus same as it is the second third steps, as same as the second third fourth steps, derivative of cos x minus sin x into derivative of x, x means what, log x 1 by x. Again take LCM, cross multiplication, x into xy2 plus y1 is equal to, and common minus common, 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x is equal to from 1 YA. This one very important question, this one. Look at this. Very important. Y is equal to a into e power mx, y is equal to a into e power mx plus b into e power nx. Then show that d square y by dx square plus m plus n into minus m plus n into minus m plus n into dy by dx plus m into n into y is equal to 0. So first solution, given y is equal to a into e power mx plus b into e power nx, differentiate with respect to x, y derivative y1, a constant, okay, d by dx of e power mx plus b into d by dx of e power nx. So a is equal to derivative of e power x, derivative of e power x is equal to e power x into derivative of mx m, derivative of e power ax, this one, derivative of e power ax is equal to formula d by dx of e power ax is equal to a into e power ax, a into e power ax. So plus b into e power nx into n. Again derivative with respect to x. y2 is equal to am constant to e power mx into m plus bn constant to derivative of e power nx is equal to e power nx into n. So that is equal to y2 is equal to am square e power mx plus bn square e power nx. So LHS is equal to d square y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus m into n into y is equal to, we have to prove equal to 0. This is the easy procedure. Okay, d square y by dx square nothing but y2. y2 is equal to what? am square e power mx plus b n square e power nx. So minus m plus n into y1. What is y1? y1 is equal to am into e power mx plus bn into e power nx. Substitute. Plus m into n into y. y is equal to a into e power mx plus b into e power nx. So that is equal to, listen carefully, am square e power mx plus bn square e power nx minus, here multiply minus కదా minus into m into am square m into am square e power mx. Next plus am into n e power mx, m into this one plus m into this one. Next again plus m into ಇದು b m into n e power nx plus b n square n into n b n square e power nx plus a m into n e power mx plus b m into n e power nx plus b into e power mx. So note am square e power mx minus am square e power mx, this one cancel. Next bn square e power nx, this is minus all are minus, bn square e power nx. Next okay, this is up to. Next amn e power mx minus amn e power mx, amn e power mx, this one plus, so this one minus, it's minus. So finally equal, hence d square y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus m into n into y is equal to 0. Okay. Sixteenth, if e power y into x plus 1 is equal to 1, then show that d square y by dx square is equal to dy by dx whole square. Given e power y into x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 into 1 by e power y, bring to left side, that is equal to e power minus y. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of d by dx of x plus 1 is equal to d by dx of e power minus y. X derivative 1 derivative 0, e power x derivative of e power x is equal to e power x, and derivative of minus y minus dy by dx. Derivative of y dy by dx, so derivative of minus y minus dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by e power minus y into goes to divide, that is equal to minus e power y. Again derivative with respect to x, d square y by dx square is equal to minus e power y, derivative of e power y into y derivative dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to what? So d square y by dx square is equal to minus e power y equal to what? dy by dx, into again dy by dx. So d square y by dx square is equal to x into x square, dy by dx into dy by dx whole square. This is important one. So second order derivative, we have to try homework. Y is equal to tan inverse x whole square, and you have to do examples. Okay, tomorrow next one, very important next topic, mean values theorems. This compulsory 5 marks question. This is the 5 marks question, and the mean value theorems 100% 3 marks question, and very easy. Okay, don't miss it. Thank you.